Stop looking at the spec sheets. Canon just dropped the EOS R6 V, and it's arguably the most confusing yet brilliant camera they've ever made. Is this the ultimate hybrid? Or do they hold back just a little too much? Today, we're going to find out if this is the only camera you'll ever need. Release date, price, and everything. Canon is fighting back in the compact camera market, and the R6 V is their secret weapon. It's compact, it's got IBIS, and it's packed with features that content creators have been begging for. Unlike the C50, which leans into pure cinema, the R6 V gives you the R-series menu system, 7 assignable buttons, and a built-in cooling fan. It feels like a mirrorless camera that grew up to be a cinema powerhouse. Let's talk silicon. The R6 V uses the same 34.2 megapixel full-frame sensor as the EOS C50. Now, here's the controversial part. Canon has moved away from DGO, dual-gain output, sensor technology. Some of you might be disappointed, but Canon is betting on the Digic X processor to handle the heavy lifting. You're still getting 15-plus stops of dynamic range. And that oversampled 7K to 4K workflow, it is incredibly sharp. The headline feature here is Open Gate. You can record the full 3 to 2 sensor area, which is a dream for social media creators. One shot, multiple aspect ratios. However, there's a catch. Unlike the C50, the R6 V lacks anamorphic desqueeze. If you're an anamorphic shooter, you're going to need an external monitor to frame your shots correctly. It's a strange omission for a camera this capable. With 4K 120p, 10-bit color, and built-in UVC streaming, this camera is a beast for hybrid shooters. It's faster, it's smarter, and it's designed to keep your workflow moving. Whether you're shooting high-end stills at 40 frames per second or cinematic raw video, this camera is positioned right in that sweet spot for influencers and pro creators alike. The Canon EOS R6 V was officially announced on May 13, 2026, and began shipping to customers on June 24, 2026. The cinema-styled hybrid camera launched with an expected list price around $2,099. The R6 V isn't just an update. It's Canon saying they want the creator market back. But what do you think? Is the lack of DGO or anamorphic support a deal-breaker for you? Or is the 7K open gate enough to make you switch? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the full hands-on review. See you in the next one.